how to verify identity on Survey Junkie. So here's how you do it. I'm on the official website, and on the left you will see account. We want to click on account, and it's going to automatically take us to the support page here. So help, get support, and you should be able to see verification as one of the options. Once we click on it, it's going to show us this, what is identity verification, and you can read more about it. So the different verification methods that you can use. And here, if we select how long we would take to get verified, it's going to basically tell us that it can take 5 minutes or a bit longer depending on the method. And you can contact this email address for assistance. So if you wanna, if you have not been automatically verified one of the times you log in, then you can contact this email address and they can further assist you with the verification. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.